it's time for an online lesson. I'm tired of sitting, so I'm going to stand. I want to make sure that my computer is at the proper height. That means that it is just below my eye level. This lesson is if you are only looking or listening at the computer. We are not typing. That would hurt your shoulders if you're all scrunched up like this. We want to have proper posture, which means that we're standing up straight and tall so we don't have back or neck pain. But look what I made. I made a stand-up desk. I used a small table, an ottoman, and another small container to make mine. Ask your parents to help you find some safe materials for you to use. We also want to make sure that we are not straining our eyes. Try to only look at the computer for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take a break. Do some jumping jacks, read a book, play outside, and then you can go back to your work. Maybe I want to try some typing, which means that I have to readjust my stand-up desk. It needs to become a little bit lower. We want to make sure that we have 90 degrees in our elbows, which means that we have the proper posture and height for our computer. Then we can type. You will find that this is a much more comfortable position than if you have your shoulders all scrunched up. Make sure to have your shoulders relaxed just at your side. Remember that you can always take the option to stand up while you're doing a lesson.